Twisted your ankle inward, then just don't rest it, rehab it. Try these simple 5 exercises which are going to help in reduce your stiffness, improve mobility and also strengthen up your ankle joint. Try these exercises once your pain and swelling are under control. So let's dive in. So the first exercise is dorsiflexion mobility. So what happens when ankle gets sprained, like inward movement, our dorsiflexion movements get affected. Dorsiflexion is when you lift your like ankle upwards. So we are going to increase the mobility and also reduce stiffness. So you're going to stand near the wall or near to the railing. I'm going to demonstrate towards my right side. So stand slightly, your foot should be slightly away from the railing. Now you're going to bend your affected side. I'm demonstrating towards my right side. Now you're going to bend your knee and you're going to try to touch the railing. Hold for 1 to 2 seconds in the end range and come back. The goal is not to lift your heel up and come back. Go for at least 10 to 15 reps. You can also oscillate in the end range slightly. This will help in self-mobilizing the ankle joint. Hold for 1 to 2 seconds and relax. And relax. The second exercise is a strengthening exercise. So you're going to take the resistance band and make the loop and place it around your ankle. Now you're going to pull the resistance band towards the opposite side. So when you get the ankle sprain, the movement is inward. So what you're going to do, we are going to strengthen up the outer muscles, our peroneal muscles. They are the dynamic stabilizer. So you're going to use the muscle to go for eversion. Hold for 1 to 2 seconds, then slowly go back. Go for at least 10 to 15 reps. Breathe naturally. I'm using green resistance band. If you think it is very hard for you, then you can also start with yellow or red and then you can progress towards the green. Make sure when you're doing this exercise, you're not bending your knee. It's entirely your ankle movement. And don't compensate the movement with other group of muscles. And relax. Third exercise is single leg calf raises. So what you're going to do, when you're going to lift your heel up, you're going to put more pressure on the great toe. This is going to, help in strengthening up the outer surface, your peroneal muscles. So what you're going to do, you can hold on to something, lift your heel up, put pressure on slightly more on the great toe, and then come back. Go for 10 to 15 reps into 2 to 3 sets. Movement is going to look like this. Breathe naturally. And relax. The fourth exercise is clock reach. So we are going to work on proprioception and also improve the stability of the ankle joint. This is one of the very important exercise because this will help in avoiding future ankle sprain. So let's dive in. You're going to stand in single leg position and you're going to stand on the affected side. So I'm demonstrating towards my right side. Now you're going to touch your toe slightly forward. Now we're going to touch in the clock direction like 12, 9 and then 6. So the movement is going to look like this. When you're performing this exercise, make sure you're not lifting your heel up. Go for at least 10 to 15 reps in each direction. And relax. The last exercise is single leg squat. So for this one, this is going to improve the stability of the ankle joint and also strengthen up your muscles. So you're going to stand on the affected side. I'm demonstrating towards my right side. So you're going to take your hips back and then come forward. Go for at least 10 to 15 reps into 2 to 3 sets. If you get imbalance, you can hold on to something. So make sure when you are doing this exercise, you're distributing your weight equally on your whole foot for balance and relax. Do these exercises at least once a day to see the difference, and I hope you feel better soon. If you have any questions for me, do drop down the comment below, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.